At Michigan State University, we're committed to protecting the health of people, animals, and the environment. It's what drives our research and shapes how we train the next generation of scientists and veterinarians. One of our greatest assets in that mission is the MSU Veterinary Diagnostic Laboratory. It's among the most advanced facilities of its kind in the country, playing a critical role in detecting emerging and high-consequence diseases in animal populations. And because many of the most dangerous threats to human health begin in animals, the lab is part of our public health infrastructure. But early detection is only the beginning. To prevent the next pandemic or respond to current ones, MSU researchers need access to highly specialized, high-capacity biosafety Level 3 BSL-3 laboratories. These spaces are essential for safely studying dangerous pathogens and developing diagnostics, vaccines, and therapies. Right now at MSU, researchers are working on BSL-3 pathogens like tuberculosis or TB and brucellosis, diseases that pose serious risks to both animals and people. With limited facilities, to advance this work, we need the cutting-edge facilities to match our ambition and recruit top scientists.
Research at Michigan State University is very effective in an area that we call One Health. And One Health is an understanding that the health of people is connected to the planet and animals on that planet and plants on that planet. And so in One Health solutions to public health, we're looking for sustainable health of the planet, of people, and of the environment, and of ecosystems. And so a lot of the pathogens that are studied in biosafety level 3 facilities like this one are those that come from the environment. So we need these special containment facilities to be able to do this cutting-edge One Health research at Michigan State. Michigan State is a fantastic center for One Health because of our vet school, our medical schools, the ag extension that we have at Michigan State. So all of these areas are very important for the global issue of One Health biology. And in order to stay at the cutting edge, we need research facilities that meet that standard.
A BSL-3 facility gives scientists a secure environment to study highly contagious and, in some cases, lethal pathogens. It protects researchers and accelerates discovery.
These are very real public health threats and One Health threats. I mean, as I mentioned earlier, TB infects 1/3 of the world's population. Brucella is in cattle populations, and we have some ways to combat those things, but they're failing because of resistance and because of evolution of the pathogens. We need continued research on these pathogens. This is not esoteric, very theoretical work. This is cutting-edge work on pathogens of real public health and animal health importance.
MSU is a recognized leader in One Health. Our researchers are working across human, animal, and environmental science to understand and solve complex global challenges. But their potential is limited without more room to safely work. With expanded BSL-3 capacity, we can attract and retain the brightest faculty scientists and train students to become leaders in disease prevention and response. And we can bring life-saving solutions to the communities that need them most.
We have investigators who are doing amazing research in this space. We have several that are doing work on TB, others that are working on some animal pathogens, one called Brucella abortus, and these all require BSL-3 containment. So we're very grateful to have this space to be able to work in, but in order to retain top talent and recruit top talent in this area, we need to be able to show them outstanding facilities like we have for other features of research at Michigan State, such as our FRIB and a lot of the other biomedical research that we have here, the capacity we have for plant biology. We need the same level of capacity and quality as we have for those spaces.
From vaccine development to outbreak prevention, MSU is ready to lead. Your support can help make this vision a reality right here at MSU.